In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unvoid a document in DocuSign and what you need to know before you get started. If you've accidentally voided an envelope or realized you need to resend a document that was canceled, don't worry. While DocuSign doesn't technically let you unvoid a document with one click, there is a simple workaround that lets you quickly recreate and resend it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple DocuSign tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and sign in with your email and password. Once you're logged into your dashboard, this is where you'll see all of your envelopes and agreements. Now, to locate the voided document, click on Agreements in the top navigation menu. This will open the section where you can view all sent, completed, draft, and voided envelopes. From here, find the document that was voided and that you want to restore or resend. Here's the important part. DocuSign does not allow you to officially unvoid a document once it has been voided. Voiding is permanent for that specific envelope. However, you can easily create an exact copy of it and resend it. To do that, select the voided agreement and click on Copy. This option allows you to duplicate the entire envelope, including recipients, documents, and most of the original settings. Once you click Copy, DocuSign will open the document in the preparation screen. Here you can review everything before resending. If you need to make any changes, such as updating recipient email addresses, adjusting the message, changing dates, or modifying the document itself, you can do that at this stage. Take a moment to carefully review all the details to make sure everything is accurate. After reviewing or editing the document, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the document editor, where you can see all the signature fields, date fields, initials, and any other required fields that were previously added. If needed, you can drag and drop new fields onto the document. For example, you might need to add an updated date field or an additional signature field. Make sure each recipient has the correct assigned fields before moving forward. Once everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will now send the duplicated envelope to the recipients as a brand new agreement. From their perspective, it will appear as a fresh document ready for signature. And just like that, you've effectively unvoided the document by recreating and resending it. So just to recap quickly, go to DocuSign, click on Agreements, locate the voided envelope, click Copy, review and edit if needed, click Next to check your fields, and then hit Send. That's the complete process. It's important to remember that voiding is designed to permanently cancel an envelope for security and legal reasons. That's why DocuSign doesn't offer a direct unvoid button. But using the copy feature gives you a fast and reliable workaround without having to rebuild the entire document from scratch. If this video helped you understand how to unvoid a document in DocuSign, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy DocuSign tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.